the first day that we were in person, everyone was quiet. They were just kind of doing their work. And by the third day, it was just this cacophonous, very lively, very rich discussion where students were going to each other for support.
We want to have a culture where people are enthusiastic and excited. We want to have an environment that's maybe a little raucous and noisy because people are interacting so much and get excited and build on each other.
Hi, I'm Travis Cole.
My name is Rob Bennett.
Hi, I'm Jeff Dean, and I'm a curriculum developer and instructor for Cloud Native Essentials.
I'm a software engineering manager.
I'm the Vice President of Internal Applications for Dish.
Software engineering is involved with just about everything that Dish does. So we've got a great workforce of skilled software engineers.
But what we've seen is maybe some of those engineers have been at Dish for 10 years, 15 years. It's kind of a core belief in us is that to maintain good talent, you have to help them continue to grow and to learn new things. But the pace of traditional training methods that we had been employing was really just not satisfying.
Over the past couple of years, we noted that Galvanize is one of the leaders of coding academies and ways for the public to increase their skill sets.
And we started to see, hey, there's a lot going on here that's really interesting. And it wasn't even necessarily about the technology, but about the culture and the culture of innovation and learning and the spaces that Galvanize had create a different atmosphere and a different way of engaging with each other.
And this isn't just one cookie cutter course that is going to be the same for every client. We worked with Dish to make sure that the timeline fit, that the ratio of online work to in-person work was just right for them. This entire course has felt, as an instructor, more like a conversation than a delivery.
And that's been a great benefit where we can continue during the day building our business-driven projects, but also get the immersive training for the harder subjects.
So to be an effective developer, it's not enough to just know a particular piece of technology. You have to sort of understand the overarching portions of it.
We are challenging some of our people to learn technologies they're not familiar with.
Oftentimes in jobs, you're sort of measured on what you do know and how well you perform. Technology is growing at such a rate that you have to be comfortable learning. And so we really prioritize making sure that you take it slow, you wrestle with it. We want them to take that same attitude back to work because that's what's really going to propel them no matter what the technology stack is.
In actuality, we had many different engineers apply for this opportunity.
My name is Nabiha Yusuf.
My name is Kevin Clark.
Hi, I'm June Shaw, and I'm an Analyst developer.
I'm a software test engineer.
I'm a software engineer at Dish.
Our management put out a call to about 60 people.
And I was chosen because I wanted to learn more about the new technologies and the direction in which Dish is moving.
The course is designed to have an online digital backbone with videos, code submissions, but then to have instructors review those at all times, and then in the in-person portion to really tie it all together and have a chance to, as a group, make sure that all the important concepts are covered.
I think it's made us all more collaborative.
New projects are constantly coming in, and a couple of those participants have actually relayed some information back to their team that, hey, maybe we should use some of these techniques that I've been learning in the Galvanize course.
And I've met people from projects that I'm not on and buildings that I'm not in, and so it's been a good networking experience that way.
The whole microservices architecture is something that's new, something that will save Dish a lot of money, a lot of time, and a lot of resources.
It helps me in my current job because it allows me to have a deeper understanding of how something's working and where the faults are.
To be able to jump into any other project, and a lot of flexibility for me as an employee and for them as an employer to be able to use people like that with a completely full stack background.
There's a lot of enthusiasm with the participants that have been in the course.
Do it. I really think that this helps in a lot more ways than what's on the description of the course.
It's not that you're just kind of slowly picking up things. It's very intense, very immersive, and at the end of it, you're going to have so much more to offer to your employer.
We want to be the employer that a software engineer in our market comes out and says, that's the place I want to be working.
This is definitely beneficial. Keep doing it. Get as many people into this program as you can. This is the right direction to go.